memories of Prime Minister Modi crisscrossing the Hyderabad city, throwing all its might, looks like hasn't paid off that again in Telangana. Not that BJP was a bigger player in Telangana, but what the party that is emerging as the front runner is Congress as of now. 119 seats went to polls in Telangana. Congress appearing to be gaining 65 to 66 as per the average of the three samples that we have taken from Jan Ki Baat, Ara and Chanakya strategies. BRS appearing to be losing ground there, 40 to 49, not even close to the halfway mark. A very crucial aspect here. What do you think? What could have worked in favor of the Congress here? Is it the law of averages that Sarkar BRS या TRS कहने उनकी 2 बार रह चुकी थी, so third time they were not lucky?
I lived in Hyderabad for a year. Just like last year, I was in Hyderabad. So, and I got to meet a lot of people, and everyone was talking about two things. One, बहुत corruption है, and second is about everything is
Okay.
around the one family. Every contract, every project, every contractor, everything that is made and is being brought to the city is being done by either the family members or the relatives or the supporters or the party members. So you see, like, people had this feeling कि ये सरकार बहुत corrupt है और बहुत पैसा खाती है खिलाती है, it's that kind of thing. So,
Right.
and if you see you mentioned BJP, but I don't really consider BJP as one of even the contender, because they are just making inroads into Telangana. If you ask me, like how they're making in Andhra Pradesh, how they're making in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, they had few faces in Telangana urban, like Hyderabad, etc. Like Padi Sanjay Kumar was doing well; he was getting recognized. Sobha is also getting recognized in her circle, etc. But I still feel that BJP in the rural area is still not being able to get the tag of local party. वो अभी भी they have a feeling कि ये बाहर की पार्टी है, हिंदी
बाहर की
वाली
पार्टी,
पार्टी
जी
है.
जी.
If you go and talk to the people in local areas, so there, and Congress always had a base. It's just that for 4.5 years there they also were just sleeping, but I guess they realized the opportunity after they won the Karnataka election, and of
Right.
course the financial help that the party required in Telangana could come from another state that they won. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about your organization. Your organization must be strong. You must be also strong money wise, because today the entire election is all about how many rallies you could do, how many booths you could manage. BJP still will take another, I say, 5 to 10 years to make a inroad in Telangana. They need big faces. But one thing is for sure, Pankaj. You speak to people will talk very highly of you, Prime Minister Modi, because during Corona times, this KCR government was absolutely nowhere to be seen.
Right.
And people
Right.
got the free food, free ration, and money, the direct benefit transfer that they got for the vaccine, etc. They are very, very thankful about it, and they recognize that Modi ne kiya. And also, Ram Mandir is also having a lot of effect there,
Impact.
because do not forget that Telangana is 85% Hindu population, staunch Hindu believers. Unlike, I mean,
Right.
when we see OAC on the screen, we think that Telangana or Hyderabad is all about Muslims, but it's not like that. People are very, very
Absolutely.
ardent
Absolutely.
followers of Hindu religion, and they are very, very what do you say? Uh, they want a leader who's also Hindu, and
Right.
KTR had that. That's the reason why he could win 2 elections. So I think for anti-incumbency, corruption charges, nepotism is all played against